Hello and welcome to Paul's Engage channel. It's 2024 and we are, in good health, which is good. Ren's making some biscuits. I'm going to be doing some modelling. So what have I got that I'm doing? I'm doing a low relief cinema and department store. This is in Engage. I've also got a Hornby magazine building of low relief corner shop. So I shall be doing that maybe later. Anyway, Engage, low relief cinema and department store. So usual, I actually making it from a Scale Scenes kit. Downloaded that ages ago. I did do one, but it's in a bit of disrepair at the moment because the granddaughter, I gave it to the granddaughter, and then it got stuck on the shelf, and then it got stuck in the windowsill as a Christmas decoration, so it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to attempt to do that again. I've got some card, which is bits of postage packages, the old Amazon boxes, and other bits and pieces. So I shall attempt to make that and strap it up as I need to. I've got some 2mm card, which I'm going to do. Anyway, I shall show you what I'm up to, and I'm not going to take you through every stage, but I shall do little bits and show you what I'm doing. Right, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is part one, which is where I've cut out a piece of the model, the paper, and stuck it to card. Now this is quite a thick card, and although I'm using a friendly sort of Pritt stick, it does tend to get a bit warped if you leave it like this. So what I tend to do is to flip it over. As you can see, it's an old Amazon thing. Try and make sure that it's all stuck down properly, and as you can see, this has just come up, which is a good reason to, after a good 20 minutes, is to just put it on back to front, and then you can see it's going to show you where you're not got the glue on the edges. So I shall stick that down, and then I will place it under the mat and let it go face down, and that will stay under there for a few hours until it's totally dry, and then we can start cutting the bits and pieces out. And that's number one. That was on heavy card, and this one's got to go on medium card. So now medium card, which is supposed to be about 1mm thick, is this, and this is, as you can see, maybe or maybe not see, it's not huge. Again, this is the back of an Amazon package, and they're very good. Saves me having to go out and buy a card, but I believe in reusing stuff, so I've got plenty of that over there, as you can see. So I shall get ahead and stick, and then I shall show you what I've done. Okay, talk to you soon. Here decided to do it the other way that I used to do it, which is do the cardboard first, which is most probably the best way to do it, because then at least you know you've got everything glued, and that way you can then just add some little bits to this. It's the best way to do it, I find. This one is supposed to be light card or medium card. That one above the coat is supposed to say light card, but I find that light card is too light for Engage, so I'm sticking this to the medium card that I've got. Anyway, I shall carry on and do the rest of these. I thought I'd just give you a little bit of an update on how I do it, so that it comes out better than the paper keep peeling off the card. Hello and welcome. We've got these cards done. So we got the scale scenes prints on various cards. Some of them are done okay, some haven't. I think the glue stick I was using wasn't really great, so I'll carry on and start cutting them out and get them ready, and then I shall show you as I progress. I mean, most of you have done these sort of packs from scale scenes will know that, you've got to be careful and take your time just to make sure that you've got everything done. Right, I shall start cutting them out and produce the building. I'll let you know as I go along. Yeah, some brief shots of the kit I'm doing. It's the low relief High Street it's Central Cinema and Department Store T006 from Scale Scenes. As you can see, these are in now various parts. I have nearly finished cinema. I'll put some doors in. I'll set them off a bit because I didn't want them really at the back of the cinema entrance. We've got the sides on, and we've got the roof. But once it's finished, it'll look a lot better. Anyway, I'll leave that one for a moment. That's the department store. I'm not quite finished. Got the roof to put on, got the doors to put in, got some other detailing bits. Also got the street there to put in as well. But we'll sort these out and show you what it's like when we're finished. Hello and welcome back. It's a few days, well, about a week later, and I've finished doing the low relief buildings that I was working at. This one is the Odeon. Just do need to sort out the some of the weathering on it, and I've also done a block of flats. Again, that needs working, and I got department store, low relief obviously, and it's still obviously needs weathering, but I have put some lights on this one, and I'll get the battery in a minute and show you how it works, or what it looks like, should I say, because you know how it works. Anyway, I shall show you that in a minute. Hold on. And there you have it. The lights are on the shop, and as you can see, it's a bit bright, but along with other things, it most really wouldn't notice so much. I've only powered it by a couple of AA batteries, and the flats have just been demolished. Yeah, so that's good. I mean, the flats are, again, low relief, as you can see. They just need to be finished off slightly with some weathering. I might get round to doing that. I was going to put some light behind it, but I don't think that will be necessary on this because it's low relief. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. I've got some OO ones that I shall start later. Oh, I did find these, which were ones I'd done a while ago, and they're just low relief shops, High Street So as you can see, they're all sort of finished. They haven't got no pavement or attached to a pavement. I did have it done for my granddaughter, but it's now been rescued from what was a little diorama, and I shall put it on a layout maybe when I've got a back scene up. But yeah, so we've got some low relief shops, cinema and department store, and some flats. As you can see, the lights behind the flats. It looks good, but it'd be too bright for the flats. Anyway, that's that for done, and I'll put this video together and show you the rest. Thank you. Hello, right, that's the video for this week, this month. A short video, I know. I didn't get around to doing as much as I wanted to, what with work and other things. But yeah, so you can see that it does take a while for me to get them done, but I get spurts. Also losing interest sometimes, so I take a break. But yeah, the models are coming along. I've got plenty of bits to do. I've got to weather these and improve some of the looks of them, and we'll sort the rest of them out as we go along. But anyway, that's all for this now. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and continue to watch. Comments if you like, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much for watching. As I say, please subscribe, please like. I'm trying to get this video channel going, but it seems to be in fits and starts. But anyway, thank you very much for subscribing.